Hey YouTube, okay, this is take 3. I swear I say that on every video, but I probably messed up that last one, didn't even record it. I don't even know. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, so we're trying to get used to it. So hopefully this is live. Hopefully I won't have to say take 4 on my next one. If we do, that's why. And so anyway guys, today I am going to be sharing with you how to create a business Pinterest account. Hopefully we'll go through it all the way together. So, like I said, who knows if mine really did happen last time. I don't know. Anyway, I was wanting to do it for my new website, but I've already wound up doing that one accidentally without sharing it. So anyway, let's try it again with the unpopular world. And apparently now I have the hiccups. At gmail.com. I'm going to be even nicer myself. I'm going to say 25. I can't even say that without laughing, y'all. Isn't that sad, sad, sad? Okay, sure, we'll save it. Let's set up the profile. Okay, the unpopular world 2. Sure, why not? Yes, I have a website. It is the unpopular. It may give me an error, and if it does, I'm going to show you guys on one of my other URLs. So, I probably should have just done that from the beginning, but if I have to do a take 4, I will. Hopefully I won't have to do a take 4. This is getting old, y'all. And so anyway, the focus of the brand is going to be travel. We are going to drive more traffic to our site, create content on Pinterest to grow audience, grow brand awareness. Next, and we'll go blogger. Don't have any pictures that I've chosen for it yet. I need to work on that. And we're going to say I'm not sure yet. Where would I like to start? Okay, WordPress, sure. This is a new thing because it used to be that you would just go and plug in a little line of code that it would give you into the header part of WordPress. And however, this time around it's telling you exactly what it wants you to do. So you can go through these steps if you do have your website. I already have Pinterest plugins on the website theme. Sorry, I couldn't think there for a second. And apparently I haven't had enough of my caffeine sitting here. But anyway, I do digress on that note. But chose a theme last night for the unpopularworld.com. And yes, there's a whole thought process going in behind the unpopularmom.com and the unpopularworld.com. And then there's one more unpopular URL that I want to get in the future, if it's still available. Okay, and because I'm not doing this right now, what I did last time, because I have a person setting up my theme in the next 24 hours. Miss Adrian is awesome. I'm just taking a picture so that I have that unique tag ID. And then it tells you how to do everything there. And then congratulations, you have set it all up. We have not yet detected your tag. That's because I didn't add it yet. I will give that to Miss Adrian and she can actually do that for me as well. Adrian is on Etsy, y'all, and I have shared her link in my comments below a few different times. Adrian has a wonderful shop. She's very responsive. She doesn't charge a lot to install her themes. It's like $35, which is definitely a bargain. If you've ever bought a theme anywhere, people want to charge out the yazoo to actually install it and set it up for you. I have learned over the years how to do that. Just takes a lot of time. With me recently changing from HostGator to Bluehost, and I'll go into that in a whole another video as soon as HostGator gives me my refund. I'm having to fight with them on. And anyway, it was just a little bit more difficult than what I wanted to fool with. and changing over and installing the theme and setting that all up myself this time. So I just decided to have Miss Adrienne do it for me, which she was definitely glad to do that. And so anyway, this is how you do it, and then you can go into here and set up, you can say, sorry guys, I was looking to see on editing your profile. And that will let you add another account. You've got your settings here. That's what I was looking for. Geez, I'm like brain dead today. It is Sunday, so you can go in here and upload your photo there. You can change your username if you want to. Write a little bit about yourself. You've got your URL that you can claim. And if it's a URL that only, well, of course you would be the only owner of it, but if it is your URL, then you can click the claim button over here. You can claim your YouTube channel. You can claim your Etsy store, your Instagram, and then if you do have Shopify, and I'll go in later on and compare Etsy and Shopify for you guys as well. So I've actually been testing out all of that behind the scenes. And then if you want to set up any notifications, you can do that too. And then you can come back later. And this is the nice thing about having the actual business account, is that you can actually track your analytics, what pins people like the most. You can also use Tailwinds for that, and I really like using the free version of Tailwinds. I'll go into that more into a different video later on in the future for you guys. Hopefully you already know how to set up a pin. If not, this is how you come over here and create a pin. And then business, you've got Business Hub, which looks like this. Nothing at the moment yet, since I haven't done anything yet. And so this is everything here. I'll go through and show you guys the Unpopular Mom one day, because I do already, of course, have stats on that one. So you guys, I wanted to just come and share this because it has been a highly requested video, even though a long time waiting on this part of things. So that is how you set it up. If you like this, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. If you guys don't mind, and speaking of that, we will be doing the sticker drawing this weekend at some point in time before I go to bed tonight, because we are at 881. There's an app I use for this to check my stats whenever I want to, and we are at 882 subscribers, guys. Thank you guys so very much for that. And so I'll go into that app later on a different video as well. And this has been fun. This is how you create a pin right here. If you want to create a pin, you would upload a graphic. I do all that through Canva. I'll include my Canva link down below, and I will link some other Canva videos, as I have already created those, but I will in the future be doing Canva and Pinterest together for you guys. And at that note, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. And you guys, thank you so very much for being here. I definitely appreciate all of you guys so very, very much. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. And then also, it says you can be nice to, since you have the choice to be anything, please be nice to people. Never know what a smile might do for someone out there that might really need it. You could even save a life just by smiling at somebody. You never know. And so, anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off. You guys have a great one. See you later. Bye.